Hi everyone, so today we will be making this beaded pipe cleaner snowflake. So what you're going to need is pipe cleaners, ribbon or yarn, optional, a bunch of beads, which is what I have right here. I have them in a bag because they go everywhere, and scissors. So these scissors, as you can probably tell, they're really similar to my other ones I had in the last couple of videos, but these are new. They're a whole lot better because my other ones were really bad and like cheap and really just old, like many years old. These ones, look, they just closed. My other ones didn't close. That's cool. So what you're going to first need is to take your pipe cleaner like this, match up the ends like this, and then fold it in half. Then open it back up, not all the way because I still see what the fold was, and then you want to just cut it. And then you take the other one and you do the same thing. Then you open it back up a little bit, and then you go like this, and you cut it, like that. Now, if you see, you have 4. Snowflakes have 6 points, so you're only going to need 3 of these, so you can just take one and put it aside. This one's got a funny bend in it, so I'm not going to use that one. I'll use these other ones that are nicer. So what you're first going to do, you're going to take all 3 of the pieces you're using. You're going to try to make the ends match up pretty good. And then you're going to try to fold them in. You're going to try to fold them all equally in half. It'd be easier to do them all individually, yes, but this is just easier for me. Fold them in half like that, just to find the center. Then you want to take them where the center is, and you want to give it a quick little twist, like 2 or 3, so that they're connected. But not too much, because you don't want to like twist it too much. I need one more. And then you can kind of pull them apart like this, to try to give it the snowflake shape. Like this. So it looks something like that. Now this is the fun part. That was the easy part. You just made this like skeleton of your snowflake. Now we get to make it look pretty. So I'm going to open for beads. You can use any beads you want. I just have all these different like crystally clear ones. I got white and I got blues. And you can just put whatever order you want. I'm going to try to make them all the same. I'm just going to start make up my order as I go. So I have these weird triangle, these ones. So I'm going to use these for the beginning of it. So you literally just take the end of the pipe cleaner, focus camera, and you slide it on. You can use whatever beads you want. You don't have to have the same ones as me. Some of these are just random ones I found, and I don't know where they came from. Oops, I accidentally had 4 out. Don't want to lose it. And you want these triangle ones, they match up and they line up nicely. Actually, yeah. Make sure they line up like that, because then they match up and they lock together, and then they take up less space. And then I'm going to do the rest of those on the rest of them. And this isn't really, there's no exact design to this snowflake, and that one just went fine, okay. Because you can do whatever beads you want, in whatever order, and you can make purple snowflakes if you wanted, or green. I'm just doing clear and blue, because they look sort of normalish, to wintry. And you don't have to use like crystally clear beads like I'm using. You can use whatever kind of beads. You can use the opaque ones. I'm just using these because these are what I like and what I have. But feel free to do whatever you want and make it special. Because remember, no snowflakes are the same. So you don't want to make them exactly the same anyways. So like that. And I gotta do one more because I'm doing sets of 3 because I feel like it. Like that, we got part of it done. We gotta do the rest on this side. And I picked out all the beads I like, and I might not use them all because I might not all fit, but I just made up this. Completely just making this up as I go. I had the idea, but now, like the order of the beads I'm making up. And you can just totally do that shit, whatever you think looks nice. Looks like that so far. I'm going to pull out pulling out one kind of beads out of a bag of mixed beads is slightly difficult. Then you just slide them on still. And one more after this one. One more point of the snowflake. Oops, I took out 4. This is what it looks like so far. See how like when the light touches it, that makes it all sparkly then? If you had like opaque beads, it wouldn't do that as much, or at all. Because they're not like gonna have light go through them because they're not like translucent. It looks like that. Now we gotta pick out what nut beads we're gonna do next, because you have all these varieties in here. I think we're gonna go with these dark blue pony beads that are translucent. I have some that are translucent, like shiny, and I have some that are translucent, like matte finish, sort of, but I want the shiny ones at the moment. I think I got 4 of them. I'll pull out the other 2 in a minute. I'll take one. Oh yeah, I like that. Because it's different. It's complete opposite of the clear. And you just, even if you don't like it, you just take it back off and you put a different one on. Like that. Now I gotta find the other 2 in here. Let's see one. Some beads I have like extra of, and some beads I have just 6 of or whatever, so that's why they're harder to find. I just pulled out a whole bunch of random winter colored beads. So that looks like that. I like that. Now what should we use? I think we'll go back to those weird triangle ones, but we're going to use these like turquoisey aqua ones I have. I'm going to pull out the turquoisey aqua ones and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I pulled out the turquoisey aqua ones. I'm just going to put on one of each of them. They're like the crystal ones, the same shape. They're just different color now. I like that. And you just put them on. So this is really, you can just do whatever you want. You can make them look however you want. Now I think I need some more clear ones. But I think I'm only going to do like 2 or something. I'm going to pick out the beads I want. Be right back. So I'm back again. And I decided that I'll do 2 of these white crystally ones to break up. And then I can break up some of the blue and then I'll put more blue on. And again, these will line up with the turquoisey ones I put on. So I'll put 2 on each. And you also gotta remember, you gotta leave a little space at the end because then you can twist it up so that they don't all fall back off on you. Because that would not be fun. And I gotta put 2 on each. Some of them got a little funny on the end because they were bent to find the middle, but that's okay. They're a little difficult to put the beads on sometimes because they're bent, but then they straighten out as you put the beads on sometimes. And one more. Just like that. And this is what it looks like so far. Oh, I really like that. This is what it looks like because I have light behind me because there's a window. See? Window. So see if you could like hang this in the window and that would look really nice. Now, I think we're going to go with those matte pony beads I told you about. Because remember how I said I had shiny blue pony beads and then I had other ones. I think we're going to go with the matte finish ones now. Because they're still translucent, but they're not like shiny translucent. I pulled them out. They were right there, kind of. Oh yeah, I like that. Pony beads are more likely to fall off than the other beads because their holes are bigger. And I also have pony beads that are the turquoisey. So I'll pull those out and I'll use those next. I'm getting close. I think I'm going to do these, then I'm going to do like one more set of whatever kind of clear beads I feel like, and then we'll be done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. It starts to get heavy as you put more beads on it. Oh yeah, turquoisey. Do you see what I mean? How like, do you see the difference between these two? this one's like the shiny one, and this is like more like the matte, and then it's different between these ones too. Put one on each. Oops. That's all those. Now I'm gonna pull out the crystal beads, the clearish ones that I want to use for the end, and then I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I decided for the end, I'm gonna do one of these beads, like I did a whole bunch of, and then one of these bigger beads I have for the end, and then I'll twist up the end and it'll be done. So I'm gonna put the smaller one on first, on each of them. Just like this, just slide it right on. And as you can probably see, I brought too many beads. I wasn't exactly sure how many I was going to need, so I just figured, too many is better than not enough. So now that I got all those on, I'm going to put these big ones on the end. Go on. This is one of the bent ones. That was weird. And see, then I have just enough that I can twist off the end, and they won't all come falling back off at me. That would not be fun. It would look like my snowflake was melting. Go on. There it goes. And last one. So now you have all your beads on. Once you're done, then you take your ends, and you can either just fold them or you can twist them or whatever you feel like. Just don't poke yourself because that's not fun. If you had like pliers with you, that'd be even easier. I just happen to not have the pliers with me at the moment. And just twist it up so that it's like that. So that, see how I twisted it down into my bead like that, sort of on the back, so that it stays on. I'm just gonna like pull it up. You also want to push it down, make sure your beads, because if you use the ones that like lock together, you want to make sure they're actually locked together, because otherwise they'll move around and have more space. And then I move on to the next one. I might as well get just folding the end in half, and then since I have these beads, I'm just folding it down between two of the things, like that, on the back, or what I'm considering the back at the moment. So it looks like that. And I got two more. And when I get to the last one, I'm going to do something different. Now that I got to the last one, I'm going to take my curling ribbon that I told you in the beginning was optional, and I'm going to pull out however much I want. I'm going to cut like a bunch of the curled part off because this is just scrap from something else. Like this. And then I'm going to take the end and fold it in half and make a little loop and make a knot. Like that. Now I have this loop that I'm going to put on the pipe cleaner, like that, and then when I fold it over and do that, it'll be connected, and then I can just tape a piece of curling ribbon to like the wall or something, and it'll hang up. Then it looks like that. So there. And then you can also see how things like bend weird, you can just adjust them because they're pipe cleaners, so they bend. So this is what it looks like. If you like pipe cleanery bead crafts, give this a thumbs up and comment down below if you want more winter crafts or if you're just done with winter, like I am, pretty much. And subscribe. Bye!